Thank you to Seawater Pro for sponsoring this episode.
So today, I get to put in the Watermaker. Plus, I'm going to get interrupted by a couple of people coming to do some work. Stuff that apparently I can't do myself. So, we'll figure that out. I'm going to get interrupted a couple of times, but let's install a Watermaker.
Last time on Sailing Music and Lyrics.
Let's talk about some solar.
So I have some pretty hard and fast beliefs, as it were, for how solar panels should be installed. Basically, it's been a very good system. It's 1,440 watts. If you've got room for 5,000 watts of solar, put 5,000 watts of solar on there. You will never, ever, ever have too much.
Our videos are not just for us to look back on later. They're for you. And if you enjoy them and want to see more, join the band on Patreon.
So I have this hole in here. Prop that up on a leg. It's screwed right there, so that's removable. I can get that out to take the membranes out. I've mounted the motor in there, and this is about, I know this is falling over. But a little bit lifted up and it fits in there a little bit better. This is where the filters are going to go. You just want to make sure that everything is sealed up. You're not crushing anything, which I'm trying not to do right now. There we go. That's perfect. And you have all the right parts.
In his element.
Oh, yeah.
So we're at a place in Fort Lauderdale called Boat Owners Warehouse. And we were told for the parts that Eric needs for the Watermaker, this would be the place. What are you looking for?
Right now I'm looking for, I believe it's 1/2 inch. I need a T. We're going to start. I need to get a 1/2 inch T for this hose, and we're going to start right here.
Is that the hose that goes into...
This is the hose that's currently on the boat that we're going to tap into for the raw water, and then that's going to take it to the, we're going to go from here to the low pressure pump. We're going to start there, and then we're going to work our way through the system, all the parts that I need.
Okay. Fingers crossed.
Yeah. So I got all the parts that I needed. Basically, I put everything together, and you can see right here where I tied in to the house system, and we're gonna go and test the Watermaker and make sure that everything works. Let's go.
1 second. Let me look up that instant message, and I'll be right back. You've made me water.
I did. You want to try?
Straight out of the Watermaker?
Brand new, right out of the Watermaker.
Okay. Wait. Tastes like nothing but pure, beautiful, clean water. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome. It works, huh?
Yeah, it's actually really good.
All right.
Okay, I gotta get back to my meeting.
Okie doke. Enjoy your water.
No, it's not handled. I'm sorry, Mika, you said something about...